Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Flash Furniture Hercules Series folding chairs, a set of 4 versatile and reliable seats perfect for both commercial and home use. Whether you're hosting a corporate event, a wedding, or a casual barbecue, these chairs offer on-demand seating with a remarkable 1,000-pound static weight capacity. Designed with functionality in mind, these ultra-lightweight chairs are easy to transport and feature protective floor caps to prevent damage to your floors. Constructed from UV-stabilized resin, they are built to withstand years of indoor and outdoor use, while their stylish design makes them ideal for formal occasions. The waterproof vinyl seats provide superior comfort and are easily washable, ensuring they stay looking their best even after long events. Plus, with no assembly required, these chairs are simple to fold and stack for compact storage, making them a convenient choice for any event planner or homeowner. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.